Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Thursday, April 13th, the last day of the trading week and unofficial start of earnings season with the banks coming out with numbers. First yesterday, we had kind of a consolidation day, another negative day, but not new lows, holding the support from Tuesday, trading essentially sideways to lower across the board. We were down about 0.25% in the S&P and the Dow. And the NASDAQ, which made new all-time highs a week ago yesterday, was down about 0.4%. So that slide continues off that top. We saw a key reversal last week in the NDX where we had new all-time highs and a lower weekly close. Markets moving to the upside with stocks down. Gold making new relative highs yesterday at $12.89. Closed at $12.78, up $4. So that trend continues. And also crude made new highs but had a lower close, so we'll keep an eye on that. As far as the topping formation there, got as high as 53.75, ended up being down a quarter, so it had a streak of 6 consecutive sessions. Yesterday couldn't make the 7th, and then turned negative. Also on the board was a VIX, up to 15, so we're up at 5-month highs in volatility as this geopolitical uncertainty continues. So where are we at here on Thursday morning to finish the trading week? Well, right now, stock index futures are down a bit. We're down 6 points in the S&P. We're down 8 points in the NASDAQ. We're down 25 in the Dow. Now let's look at where we stand on a weekly basis. Even though we've been moving lower, it's been somewhat of a drift. As we stand, we're down about 11 points in the S&P coming into today anyways. We were down about 65 points in the Dow, so not that much negativity, even though it does feel like that. Now in the news today, President Trump came out and said that the dollar's too strong and that China is not a currency manipulator. That's got the market spooked a bit, and we're a bit lower. That's driving the dollar down, obviously, and bonds up, pushing interest rates down. We're at 2.89% right now in the 30-year, so those rates continue to relax. Looking at gold, that gave gold a spark. Right now we're at $12.90, up $12, closing in on $1,300 an ounce, which is a very important psychological pivot. Crude oil right now, 53.16, up a nickel, going nowhere fast. Yesterday's high, 53.75, but we are up on a weekly basis. It closed at 52.25 last week, so up about $1.50 in crude for about a 2% move so far this week. So to summarize, as the stock market gets started here in about half an hour, right now we're a bit lower, down 6 in the S&P, down 8 in the NASDAQ, and down 25 in the Dow futures. Banks came out with big profits. 6.5 billion JP Morgan. Where's the other number here? Wells Fargo, 5.5 billion profit, and Citigroup only a $4 billion profit for the quarter. So this will set the tone for fundamental information as we get more earnings numbers from here on out. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.